guys, so it's your Sunday girl here for the 7 Classy Beauty collab, and if you can't tell already, I'm seriously so excited, and you guys might be like getting bored of these videos because I'm the last girl to film it, but I'm just gonna like tell you guys a little bit about myself. So first of all, my name is Gabby and I am almost 16 years old. I'll be 16 in September, and I'm just so excited I got picked for this collab. Like, I didn't even think I was gonna get picked, but I still like auditioned and stuff, and seriously I think it's gonna be such a great opportunity. I have my own YouTube channel here. It's Gabby Loves Fashion, and on that channel I don't really do like that many makeup tutorials because I'm not really like, I love makeup, but I'm not into like the crazy like dramatic makeup. I'm kind of just into like the natural kind of makeup. But on that channel I have like outfit of the days, hauls, like all that kind of stuff. Really check it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna be a junior in high school and I'm pretty excited about that. I only have 2 more years till I graduate though, which is pretty sad. Seriously, so high school is so much fun. You guys are gonna have like the best time ever, like seeing like different videos and it like from different girls' viewpoints, you know, because every girl's gonna be different. And seriously, I'm just like, I can't even stop smiling. I'm so excited. Another thing I like to do is model. I don't really like picture modeling that much. It's mostly like runway. I've been in I think 6 shows now, or 5 or 6 shows now, but I'm kind of getting into like picture modeling a little bit because my mom's like a photographer and it's so much fun. I think I'm gonna do a video on my channel of like some pictures she's taken. Like, she just did a wedding the other night and her pictures are so pretty. So I'm just gonna get into talking about my channel now. So my channel name is Gabby Loves Fashion and I started it not that long ago, maybe like 2 months ago, a month ago, something like that, not long ago at all, and I already have 40 subscribers, which some people don't think that's a lot, but seriously I'm so thankful. I didn't think like anybody was gonna watch my videos or anything, but I seriously have so much fun doing YouTube. Like, I love it so much, and now since I'm in the collab channel, I get to make like 2 videos a week, and I think it's so much fun. I'm gonna have so much fun on this channel. But yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys next Sunday, and go check out my channel. It will be linked below, and like subscribe to all the other girls on this collab channel. They're all wonderful, and they all make awesome videos. So thanks for watching. Bye.